installing our theme and plugins. First, we'll install a new theme. The theme is like the design template for your website. It controls how your site looks, including colors, fonts, layouts, and styles. To add our theme, let's go to Appearance, click on Themes, then click on New Theme. We're going to install the Astra theme. It's one of the most popular WordPress themes, and the best part is that it's completely free to use. Search for Astra, then click on Install, and Activate. Next, we'll install a plugin called Starter Templates. Plugins are extensions that can be installed on your WordPress website. Each plugin lets you add new features to your WordPress website, similarly like apps on your smartphone. The Starter Templates plugin will give us access to hundreds of free website templates that will make designing our website easier. In the side menu, click Plugins, Add New Plugin, and search for Starter Templates. Let's click Install Now, Activate, and once it's in our plugins list, get started. Now if we go back here, we can click Elementor and ensure that we have that selected as our page builder. If you don't see the option to choose Elementor on your screen, then quickly watch this video right here, which will show you how to fix this. This will bring us to a large library of website templates. Starting with a template will save us time, and your website will end up looking more professional than starting from scratch. But what's the difference between a theme and a template? Well, a theme controls the overall look of the entire website, including colors, fonts, and the layout for all pages. A template, however, only controls the layout of a specific page, such as the home page, about page, or the contact page. You can browse the templates by category, and you'll see the ones that are paid are marked as premium, but there are plenty of free ones to start with. I'm into travel photography, so I'll choose something like this one. You can start by customizing the site logo, fonts, and colors here on the left. I like the look of these two. I'll click Continue, then skip additional features for now. Check that you understand, submit, and this will build my website. If you visit your domain URL, your website is now live.